So I'm back with another unboxing slash review. And today, hold on, let me put the newspaper. And today we're going to be looking at the Supreme not a collaboration. It's just the beanie. Let me see. So we're going to be looking at the Supreme box over beanie. Yo, what? It looks a lot more blue. Online it looks more tealish. Looks like more of a baby blue. It's still kind of nice. Let's see what stickers did I get. I got Supreme box logo. Dude, I got like thousands of these. It's not even funny, but yo, this one's pretty sick. Are they actually one by one individual? I think they are. Yo, it's sick. Can't wait to add that to my sticker collection. Nothing else, bags. I got like thousands of these too, so it's not a big deal. Stickers, I'll be adding this to my sticker collection. I got a bunch. You guys would like to see that, just let me know. I also got a bit of a Supreme collection. Unfortunately, I sold some pieces because I needed the money, but I still kind of a little bit have a little collection. These, I got thousands of these too. So let's put these aside. I'm looking at the beanie. So I was not gonna end up keeping this. I was just gonna sell it so I could sell it. Nah, I'll keep it. So, like I said, my collection, I'll be keeping all my stuff that's off, but not using it, and I get a lot of hate for it. They're like, "Why do you buy Supreme if you're not gonna wear it?" So I was like, "Man, fuck it. I guess I'll keep it." World famous. Yo, this thing's a little off. I think it's crooked. Yo, what the fuck? Is that how it's supposed to be, or am I just tripping? That shit looks crooked. It goes like whoop, and like curves up. New arrow. Look at the tabs. So yeah, again, it's a dope beanie. I don't know, what do you guys think? This was the colorway I wanted to go for. The gray and red. The gray with the red box though would look kind of nice too, but I was like, nah, that one's definitely gonna sell out quick. And I was thinking about the black one, but I was like, nah, black looks too plain, looks too, I don't know. And then I saw a blue one, I was like, yeah, this is the one for me. I don't think they ever done this color, or maybe they have, I'm not sure. But I thought this one was the coolest one. This one and the red one, and it blends in nicely with the white lettering. It makes it pop. Just can't wait to rock this. But I don't know about this, man. It looks let me try this. Oh, now it looks slanted. But I don't know. Maybe I'm just tripping. But yeah, so I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know. Did you guys take a L or a W? But yeah, can't wait to wear this. And I'll give it a, because it's a box, so I gotta give it a 10. Qualities, this feels like an average regular beanie. So yeah, like I said, you guys want to see my Supreme collection, or you guys want to see my sticker collection, just let me know. Comment down on the video, and I'll do another video showing you guys. Also, don't forget to check out my last video. I'm doing a giveaway on the Shop God white Cuban link gold necklace, and it's pretty easy. The giveaway's still going. Who knows when it'll end? Probably like in a few days or in a week, hopefully. So yeah, Until next time.